Your life today is the result of your past judgment. Your future depends on your next one. Let that sink in for a moment. Every relationship you entered, every job you accepted, every risk you took or avoided, every yes you shouldn't have said, every no you regret, they were all reflections of your judgment at the time. This is why Naval Ravikant calls judgment the ultimate skill, the skill that multiplies everything else. Before we dive deeper, let me ask you something. When was the last time you made a decision you instantly knew wasn't right? Comment it below. You might realize you're not alone. And if this type of clarity already speaks to you, take a second to subscribe. People who care about wisdom are rare. I'd love for you to stay in this space with us. We live in a world drowning in information, yet starving for wisdom. Everyone works hard. Everyone is busy. Everyone is hustling. But very few people think clearly. Very few people slow down enough to see reality without distortion. Very few people make decisions from calm, awareness, and depth. Most decisions today are made from anxiety, pressure, fear, distraction, ego, impulses, or social expectations. And then we wonder why life feels chaotic or directionless. Let me ask you, do you feel like your mind is loud or quiet? Do you choose your actions or do you react to life? If you feel the noise, stay with me. This masterclass is designed to give you the one thing the modern world lacks: discernment. And if at any point you feel an insight hitting you, hit like, not as a favor, but because it helps the algorithm push deep content to people who desperately need silence in their mind. Part 1. What judgment really is. Judgment is not intelligence. You can be smart and still make terrible decisions. A brilliant student might ace exams but fail to choose the right career path, chasing prestige rather than purpose. Judgment is not talent. A naturally gifted musician may perform beautifully, but mismanage opportunities, missing long-term growth. Judgment is not memorizing strategies or consuming facts. You can know every principle of investing and still lose everything if you act impulsively or emotionally. Judgment is the ability to see clearly and choose wisely. It is a form of internal vision, a calm knowing, a sense of direction that comes from understanding yourself and reality. When Naval speaks about judgment, he is referring to a state where your mind is clear, your emotions are grounded, your ego is quiet, your perception is honest. Let me ask you, do you trust your own judgment? Or do you often seek validation before making decisions? Your answer matters. Write it down or share it in the comments. If this already resonates, consider subscribing so you don't miss future masterclasses that help you build clarity from the inside out. Part 2. Why judgment is greater than hard work. We've been taught work hard and success will follow. Push yourself, grind, check off your tasks. But here's the truth. Hard work without judgment is wasted effort. You can move fast, but in the wrong direction, chasing opportunities that don't align with your goals. Naval Ravikant says, hard work divides your time. Judgment multiplies your results. Hard work is linear. Hours in, results out. Judgment is exponential. One clear choice compounds your efforts. Consider a young investor putting in endless hours. With judgment, they pick the right deals and avoid the wrong ones, multiplying outcomes faster than endless toil. or a developer building features versus one who designs systems that save time, reduce errors, and scale. Effort alone isn't enough. Strategy, clarity, and judgment amplify it. Exercise. Identify wasted effort. Take a notebook. Ask, where am I busy but ineffective? Which actions drain energy without adding value? Which decisions are reactive, not deliberate? Pick one action this week to apply better judgment. Comment, focused on judgment, to reinforce it. The paradox is clear. Harder work without judgment can lead nowhere. Clearer judgment reduces wasted effort and multiplies results. Focus your choices, act with clarity, and notice how impact compounds. If this resonates, like the video, subscribe for more, and share one insight in the comments. Every action you take with awareness strengthens your judgment muscle. Part 3. The 5 Pillars of Powerful Judgment. According to Naval, judgment rests on 5 core pillars. Let's explore them deeply. Mental clarity. A noisy mind cannot decide wisely. Confusion leads to regret. Clarity comes from stillness, reflection, and detachment from emotional turbulence. Scenario: you receive an urgent email demanding a quick decision. Pausing for 30 minutes, even to breathe and reflect, can prevent costly mistakes. Seeing reality as it is. Most people don't see reality. They see fears, wishes, projections, or stories they created. Good judgment requires radical honesty, acknowledging uncomfortable truths about yourself and the world. Self-knowledge. Understanding your emotions and biases is crucial. Ask yourself which emotion shapes most of your decisions: fear, desire, impatience. This subtle awareness transforms choices and builds long-term wisdom. Time-based wisdom. Wisest decisions rarely come instantly. Allowing thoughts to settle, overnight or over weeks, is a superpower. Patience allows clarity, not just more information. Experience alone is not wisdom. Reflection turns repeated patterns into insight. Most people live the same year 50 times. True reflection transforms repeated mistakes into growth. Drop in the comments, which of these 5 pillars do you struggle with most today? Your reflection might help someone else. Exercise, the judgment audit. Tonight, write down 3 decisions you made this week. For each one, ask, what did I choose? Why did I choose it? What emotion controlled me? What was the outcome? What can I learn? If you're willing to do this exercise tonight, write "audit tonight" in the comments. Commitment builds clarity. Part 4. Slow thinking, the root of wisdom. In a world that moves faster every day, pausing is a quiet rebellion. Slow thinking isn't laziness, it's mastery. When your mind slows, clarity emerges. You begin to see choices, patterns, and consequences that were invisible in the rush. Every decision becomes an opportunity to strengthen judgment instead of repeating past mistakes. Ask yourself, am I reacting out of habit, fear, or urgency, or am I choosing with awareness? Reactions are fast and automatic. They come from old impulses or immediate pressure. Choices are deliberate, grounded in reflection, values, and long-term vision. Naval Ravikant calls this the ultimate skill, the ability to decide wisely. One careful decision compounds like interest over time, multiplying all other efforts in your life. Exercise, the future self-test. Before any major decision, pause and ask, if I had to live with this choice for the next 10 years, would I still make it? Write your answer in a notebook or digital document. Over time, this simple question trains you to act with foresight and reduces impulsive mistakes. Choose one decision today, big or small, and reflect on it honestly. The habit of slow thinking transforms not just outcomes, but your inner life. You notice patterns, anticipate consequences, and gain freedom from reactive cycles. If this reflection helped you pause and consider your choices, like the video. It signals that content like this matters. Subscribe and turn on the bell for more lessons on judgment and wisdom. And if you feel inspired, comment one decision you'll approach differently this week. Sharing your reflections can spark insight for others and strengthen your own awareness. Part 5. The Enemies of Judgment. 4 forces silently destroy your ability to choose wisely. Distraction. A fragmented mind cannot see clearly. Fear. Fear exaggerates problems and diminishes your sense of power. Ego. The ego would rather be right than wise. Impatience. Impatience is responsible for most of your regrets. Ask yourself honestly, which of these 4 enemies controls your decisions most often? If you want more content on overcoming these enemies, don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell. I share deep masterclasses weekly. Part 6. Building Judgment That Lasts Forever. Here's a truth Naval points to. Judgment compounds. The longer you build it, the stronger it grows. 3 principles to remember. Judgment is built, not copied. You can learn from others, but wisdom comes from integrating it within yourself. Judgment applies everywhere: career, relationships, money, identity, purpose. Once judgment grows in one domain, it spreads like roots. Judgment makes you self-reliant. You stop needing validation. You stop chasing noise. You stop making choices you regret. Ask yourself, what's one area of your life that would transform if your judgment improved by just 10%? Write it down. Awareness begins the shift. Exercise. The Discernment Journal. Each night, write 3 lines. What did I observe clearly today? What emotion influenced me most? What decision could I improve tomorrow? This is how wisdom grows. Slowly, daily, quietly. If you're starting this tonight, comment, "Journal starts tonight." Conclusion: the skill that changes everything. Let's step back. You've learned what judgment truly is, why it matters more than hard work, the pillars it's built on, the enemies that destroy it, and 3 exercises to strengthen it. Here is the final truth. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more information. You need better judgment. Because when your judgment becomes clear, your life becomes clear. So I'll leave you with one final question. What is one decision you will approach differently from today? Share it below. And if this masterclass brought you clarity, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment, share this with someone who needs clarity. Not for the algorithm, but because every act of engagement helps wisdom reach those who are lost in noise. Thank you for being here. If this masterclass helped you sharpen your judgment, your next step is clear. Watch Naval Ravikant's brutal truth about your 9-to-5 life. Naval reveals why trading your time for a fixed paycheck traps most people, and how to build leverage, freedom, and optionality instead. Click to watch next. Reflect on one decision you'll approach differently this week. I'll see you in the next masterclass, right here on Deep Life Lessons.